Hey, I'm Justin Jacobson, and I'm the creator of Knock'em. I'm going to show you how to play.
To set up Knock'em, place the black Death Tower in the center of the playing area. Standard setup is for 4 players. Each player sets up their towers 3 feet apart, with the special tower, the one with the Knock'em logo, placed furthest from the Death Tower. To see who starts, each player rolls their ball towards the Death Tower. Closest to the tower without touching or knocking over the Death Tower goes first. During a player's turn, there are 3 possible steps. Step 1. Throw or roll your ball at another player's tower, trying to knock it over. You must throw from behind where you pick up your ball, and you can throw either overhand or underhand. Step 2. After you've thrown, regardless of whether you knock over a tower or not, you can pick one of your standing towers and move it 1 step away from your ball within the gameplay boundary. The tower can be placed within a step, not a step in a reach. You do not have to move a tower. Step 3. If you knock over another player's special tower, you can bring one of your knocked down towers back into play. This tower can be placed anywhere within the boundary. If a player knocks over the Death Tower while throwing the ball, then their towers are removed from the game and the player is out of the game. The Death Tower is then set back up and other players continue playing. When there are only 2 players left in the game and each player only has 1 tower left, there are 3 ways to finish the game. Standard play continues until there's only 1 tower left. This can take the longest and can be the most challenging. Version 2. When there are only 2 players left and each player has only 1 tower, towers can no longer be moved. Each player stands behind the last standing tower, and players take turns trying to knock over their opponent's tower until there's only 1 tower left. Version 3. Same as version 2, but each time a player misses, they move their tower 1 step closer to the other player. A few clarifications. A player can knock over multiple towers in the same turn. If a tower stands back up after it is knocked over, the tower is still in play wherever it lands. A player must start their next turn from wherever their ball lands, even if outside the gameplay area. For additional rules and clarifications, visit knockemgames.com.